Hi there, I'm Kristy Titzman, County Extension Agent with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, and I'm going to show you how to clean your grill. So the first couple of things that you're going to need is you're going to need some foil. So all I did is take some sheets of foil and ball them up into a ball. Okay, that's what I'm going to use instead of a grill brush. Grill brushes do the job just fine, but their bristles come out, and those bristles can come out and get on your meat, which then you could ingest and actually take into your system, and we wouldn't want that to happen. So we're going to use foil instead of that grill brush. And the other thing that you're going to need is an onion. Okay, we're going to cut it in half. I just took off the dry shell around the outside. And then I'm going to use my fork here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the foam ball and we're just going to scrape all the way across the grates, trying to get them as clean as we can. Please realize that this is hot. The heat from the coals is coming up, so you're going to want to kind of do it pretty fast. But you can see what the difference is just from cleaning that little amount with nothing but our foil. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our onion, and I'm just going to punch me some holes here with it. Be careful not to punch all the way through to your hand, but as you can see, got it on here, and now I'm just going to take this onion and slide all the way across my grates. And it's going to help clean and season my grates. The next thing that we're going to do is we want to spray our grate down with a grilling spray. It's just a grilling oil. It'll help keep the food from sticking to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our grate off. And I'm just using metal tongs to do so. And then I'm going to take my grilling spray, step away from my heat source,